All right, this is my far from professional paint booth here. I'm about to lay a coat of primer on my helmet. Um, Back up a little bit, you'll see this paint booth actually started as a cardboard box, and I actually bought something off Amazon that works pretty well. However, what's really cool is I cut a hole in it and I attached a ventilating fan, which if I slide over here, you can sort of see it's going outside. And what that does is immediately pulls all of the paint, residual paint, straight out, and saves me from inhaling. Obviously, I'm going to put one of these guys on anyway, but obviously also stops the garage from smelling like paint for the next 3 days, which my wife was not happy about and I heard about. So I'm going to go ahead and lay some paint down. I'm not going to talk when I do that, because when I turn on this ventilator fan, it's going to sound like an Apache helicopter, and so you won't hear a word I'm going to say. So with that said, so I've done a fair amount of sanding on this, so I've really taken care of a lot of the imperfections. This is actually looking pretty good. I will probably do another 2 coats once this dries, just to fill in any little cracks. I see a couple here, ones that I'm not going to bother to fill with Bondo because the primer will do just fine. But again, usually 2 to 3 coats of primer is all I'll put on. I will not end up sanding this again. This will get a final coat of white paint as the final before I start taping it off to do the overall design, which I'm going to do a custom design. So back with that after a while.